Wow, this wallpaper leaf wreath is so gorgeous! We're the fairy sisters. Hi, I'm Sora. Today, we're gonna be making a gorgeous wallpaper leaf wreath. We're gonna love it. So, let's get started! For today's activity, we need a sheet of thick A4 paper and some yellow, some orange, and some red paper too. Each sheet is a square, 7.5 cm long. First, let's make some yellow leaves. I'll tell you how to make a leaf slowly, so watch closely and follow along. We've made a beautiful yellow leaf. It was so easy, wasn't it? Now, you can make as many yellow leaves as you want. But I just want 5 yellow leaves, so let's make 4 more very quickly. Let's make 5 orange leaves in the same way very quickly. Okay, done. Now we have 5 yellow leaves and 5 orange leaves. Let's make red maple leaves. I'll tell you how to make a maple leaf slowly, so follow along watching very closely. we've made a gorgeous red maple leaf. It was a little bit tricky, but still doable, right? I want 5 red maple leaves, so let's make 4 more very quickly. All done! Did you hear that sound? It sounds like real fall leaves, doesn't it? And it also feels like real fall leaves. They're so dry and crispy. Okay, now we're gonna make a donut shape with the thick paper. Watch me and do what I do. Good! Now we have a donut shape. We can use this donut-shaped thick paper as the base of the wreath. Now place the paper leaves that we made on the wreath base. We can keep changing the placement of the leaves until we like where they are. No. Oh yes, this looks good. Now we can glue and stick the leaves onto this wreath base. Ta-da! We're all finished! Look at this wreath. It's so gorgeous and it's so fall. Really, fall is in the air, so let's enjoy the fall. Make a fall wreath and decorate your home with it. Did you enjoy making crafts with me? I hope so. I really enjoyed my time making crafts with you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye! Oh, wait. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed this video, because we're planning on making a lot of videos like this one. We'll be very happy if you like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye-bye!